An email with order details will be automatically sent to the customer after they place an order to the email address they entered in the cart's email address field. This option is only available in trial and pro subscriptions. Connecting automated emails. Go to your site settings. In the Your Store section, open the Settings subsection. Go to the Client Emails tab and click the Connect button next to the email type you need. In the Sender's Email field, specify the email address that will appear as the sender in emails to your online store customers. Click the Save button in the upper right corner to save and activate the integration. Placed orders emails are sent based on the order created event, meaning when the customer clicks the Buy button in the cart. This happens even if the customer hasn't made a payment through the payment system connected to the site. Customizing the email subject and content. After the integration is connected, emails to your customers will contain standard default text, which you can edit or replace with your own. To do this, in the email subject field, you can specify your own email subject for your customers. For example, include your store name, etc. By default, the subject contains text like this, whereas this variable is replaced by your site's domain, for example, example.com. In the large email template field, you can specify the text of your email that will be sent to customers after they place an order. To display a table with a list of products and other order details, use this variable. It will be replaced by the table with the order details, items, order total, etc. in the email. Similarly, below are other variables that display customer data, what the customer entered in the cart fields, and the selected delivery method information. You can personalize the text by adding your contact phone number and company name, e.g. at the beginning or end of the email. Below the email text field, you can click the Show Variables button to open a modal window with a list of variables that can be used in the text. If you copy a specific variable and add it to the text, the sent email will display the data you need instead of the variable. For example, you can display the order number or total, your site's domain, etc. In the title field below, you can specify an internal name for this integration. It will appear in the Customer Emails tab in the site settings. This can be useful if multiple integrations are connected to distinguish between them. If you are using the paid orders email type, you can create 2 separate templates for physical and digital products. Additional settings. Changing the event of sending an email. You can change the email sending event at any time. For example, if you chose the placed orders type when creating an email, you can change it to paid orders and vice versa. Sending emails depending on the payment method. If you have payment methods configured, you can mark which payment methods will trigger email sending with blue check marks in the Send Emails for Selected Payment Methods section below. By default, all payment methods are activated, but if you want to disable email sending for a specific payment method, you can deactivate that payment method. Sending a test email. At the bottom of the integration settings in the Send Test Email section, you can click the Send Test Email button to have us send you a test email to the email address you use to log into your Weblium account. The Test Email button is activated once you specify the sender's email address in the corresponding field. This way, you can check how the email looks and test the functionality from the recipient's perspective. Deactivating the integration. If necessary, you can pause this integration without deleting it. To do this, go back to the Client Emails tab and deactivate the switch next to Automated Emails.